So, here it go, guys. Ito yung sa akin. Ito yung kayo, Kitero. Sana all. Oh, hi! Welcome to Cooking with Kashito. So, for today, we have some going to cook with this tilapia. Of course, this is mine, the small one that I just catch before. And of course, that's my average of my pee-pee, the size of my pee-pee. And unlike for the other one right here, it's literally big. It was from Marve's. That's literally big though. Just like the size of his cock.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Alright, so let's move aside for this one. So of course we have a special guest. Come here, man. Come in, man.
Hey, what's up, dudes?
Oh! Would you look at that? Oh, hold on for a second. I'm so sorry. Master.
Sheesh! That's good, that's good.
It's been a long time. So how's you and Laundry Samurai?
Flashback.
Ayo!
No!
End of flashback.
Very good.
That's good. So, Master Sheesh, how can you possibly go into cooking this tilapia?
We'll try it.
That's good. Let's do this.
Okay, but first, we gonna put these two in the mixer. Ay!
Whoa! Before I'm going to start with this video, would you like to sponsor? Great Charlotte!
So, Master Sheesh will going to put in his misery already, and now he going to do what he's gonna do. First thing first, what you going to
On the beach. Then, we gonna slash this on this stomach to open these guts. You see this? That's the diabetic guts. You said, pull it using the hand. And this for the mimi. Meow! And now, this is the professional. It's still alive. You see?
You stupid.
Good at this. You can remove the gills. You see this? This? See this? You should remove this. Yes, again. Alright, And now, it's almost still moving. And that's how to clean it. And this will prepare the fresh juicy. And see? It's still moving. Now for the big one. You see this? Now, we're gonna cut this big boy up. This. Now, we're gonna put the seasoning and cut this. You see that ugly and hot gas? You should remove it all. Remove it and remove it and smell it. And this, remove the gears. You see this? Remove the gears. See? You see, you remove the gears and then that. Then the one. This is the fish. I'm still alive, baby. And now, we're gonna remove this pitch. Yummy. Give me some bread.
Dapat ako na lang mag-remove ng gills. Ako na lang. Para ano.
You should go Remove the gills, Kashito.
So now it's my turn. Cooking Kashito is back. So Master Sheesh told me that I'm going to take off the kids. So you know what to do, right? So for today we have some oil and also a crispy fry. So we're going to fry this bad boy up. Isn't that right, Master Sheesh?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go do this.
Give me that crispy fry, you motherfucker. Fried, you baby.
Stop it. Get some help.
Isabella!
Baby goat here. This is my fish. Input and marinate. Marinating is always good. You should put it all the sides of the fish. Here. This. You see it? See it? Wanna see it? Like this. 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 Like this. Like this. You like that, huh, mami? Kashito, it's your turn, Kashito.
Off my rings because fuck the rings. Whenever you have a rings, you must fuck. Change the topic for now. Let's focus on the cooking as what Master Sheesh told me. That is this small fish with the size of my pee-pee that we're going to marinate it. So like this one, and then you can do something pleasure like massaging. Yeah, massaging. You can imagine about your girlfriend that you're going to massage even the insides of this one, and then you can use your 2 fingers, the powerful 2 fingers, and then slide it inside like this. Yeah. You like that, right? I know you like that. You can put it inside even more and more. You can imagine this might be a the white sauce that you put inside of your girlfriend's. You know what I mean, right? And there you go. Full of cream pie.
Right, yeah. Where's that? We're gonna put some oil in this. See that? That's an oil. Look at it. Put a lot of oil. Tapos di ka na pala yan. You see, that fishy is so smelly and yummy.
3,000 years later.
There you have it. Crispy fried
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
tilapia. Now,
Oh no! Face reveal! Right, now it's my turn. But before that, Let's try.
There you have it, a frying fish.
And now the moment of truth. So this is right here. So let's do this.
Now! Use this one.
Alright. So for now, let's go in for the So guys, serious na to. I mean, baliktad yung shirt ko just for funny reference. So let's try with the small one. Let's try. Yeah, cheers. Ah.
Crunchy. Well, nahulog kong sa akin guys. Lasang semento.
It's okay sa akin. It's kind of right. I'll give it a 5.5 out of 10. Ano sa'yo?
Or, kasi nilutulong ko sa lolo ko.
Kasi lasang semento.
Lasang semento. Pero good naman lahat.
Hey!